Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Alexis, and if you're new, welcome. So, about 2 weeks ago, I had decided I wanted to dye my hair a certain color. It was an inspiration picture on Instagram that I seen that I really liked, and so I really think that gingers are they're beautiful. With their freckles in their hair, and especially if they, tan a little bit. But I really loved this picture of this girl with her hair, and it was so beautiful. So I was like, I'm gonna try out this hair color and see how it goes on me. And I used the Clairol Textures and Tones. I think it's called Flaming Desire. And I really liked the color, it was really pretty. But when it came out on me, it was like lighter, and I didn't like it. And I thought, well, maybe it would grow on me. And it did a little bit, but it's like there's a few spots like up here and through my hair that it's spotty. You can still see my roots and the darkness of my hair. So I was looking, to see how to do a root smudge, because I think that would be so pretty, because when this grows out, I don't want a harsh line where it's grown out. So I'm going to experiment today, and I'm going to take you along with me, and I'm going to try a root smudge on myself at home. And I'm going to be using the Clairol Textures and Tones 3-in Cocoa Brown. And I'm going to see how this goes. So let's jump into the video. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to dump the activating cream and the other thing that you mix with it. I don't know what it's called. And I'm going to put it in a hair coloring bowl and use a brush. And then I'm going to use gloves, obviously, too. And I'm also going to use a comb. I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections, and I've been watching YouTube videos on how to do a root smudge, so I'm going to use what I've seen and just try it out. All I'm doing is just taking the brush and putting the color on the roots and brushing it as far as I want it. And then I will take my fingers and back comb it down and up. And then after I do that, I'm going to take the comb and just completely go through my hair just to evenly spread it. Alright guys, so I got all the color on. As you can see, I've got a mess on my face. I've also got a mess on the desk that I'm using. But I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes and then I will be back to show you the final results. Hey guys, so I left the hair dye on for 20 minutes and then I washed my hair. And I do like it. It actually didn't take like all the ginger color out up here, but it did like darken it to where it looks natural. So I really do like it. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. You can definitely tell a difference in it though. I do like it, and I'm really happy with the results. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.